Hello, friends. Welcome to Learn English with Carol. Our today's topic is how to brainstorm. Most often, at a decision or while trying to come up with fresh ideas, we are stuck. We don't know how to move ahead. And that's when this powerful technique of brainstorming will be at your rescue. Brainstorming is nothing but a creative process in which you are trying to give your brain the free flowing method, wherein you are allowing it to express whatever it feels without any judgment, without focusing on the quality, and then trying to work on it. So, whenever we are doing brainstorming, we need to actually focus on the core elements. The first thing that's important is to go for volume. We should understand that it's important not to focus on quality. The only thing that matters here is ideas. So write as many ideas as much possible. Then coming to the next thing is defer judgment. Avoid judgment. Don't worry about whether that idea is possible, impossible. Okay. Don't worry about it anytime. So this way you are trying to just go with your brain what it tells you. The next thing that's important is trying to actually expand your ideas. So you are saying that yes, this could be possible. What if I try it this way? So this way you are trying to merge your ideas and expand it into a bigger platform for you. This way you are going to actually improvise. So let's try to talk about the strategies that are important when it comes to brainstorming. The first strategy that we will focus on is mind mapping. So, what is mind mapping? It's nothing but you're taking that one particular word, you're centralizing it, and then trying to branch it out. So, imagine your career is something that's the central point. You're focusing as a student, you want to focus on your career. What are the things that you are going to work on? So when it comes to career, make sure you figure out what is that thing that you like. Let's suppose you are a student and you love biology as a subject. So then try to figure out what are the things in biology that you can pursue. Whether you can be a doctor, whether you can be a nurse, whether you want to be a teacher who is going to teach biology, or a scientist. So you are trying to actually have fragmentization of which career you are going to choose. The second thing that you're going to choose is going to understand where you are. Okay, let's suppose you are in a local remote area. Yes, are you looking to go abroad so that you can pursue some of the things that are possible, like let's say scientist? You might not get the position of a scientist staying in a rural area, which is actually practically impossible. Then you need to understand also, trying to figure out at what place you are, and this way you will get an idea of whatever career that you are choosing, is it long term for yourself. So this way you'll actually have a better understanding of your career, whether it is actually good, you're thinking out of the box, or is it something that's feasible enough to cater according to your needs in future. This is how mapping would actually be a great way to evaluate what you want in your career. The second thing that we are going to focus on is idea dump. Now, as the word says dump, you just have to set a timer for 5 to 10 minutes and dump out. Actually, it's expressing your ideas. Don't worry whether they are silly. Okay, they might sound funny. People might not like it. Okay, it is you who is, trying to explore. Like if you see, there were a lot of earlier scientists. When they actually thought of new ideas, there was something people thought were not actually practically possible. But now we are using that in our lives. So don't worry about it. It would be like chasing rainbows, but let it be. Just flow with it. Just put on whatever comes in your mind and note it down. So you will be more expressive and you will give your mind blocks whatever are there. At times it happens that we are restricting ourselves, that we might say that this is not possible. So if you give this time frame for you, wherein you are just writing it down, you are actually eliminating all these mind blocks that are there and expressing yourself freely to the so utmost. So this way you will actually be better and figure out what are the ways you can actually move ahead. Coming to the next technique, that is nothing but the scamper technique. So in this method, what you're going to do is you're just going to improve or reinvent whatever you have been doing. So let's try to emphasize on your routine. Our daily routine is actually the same way it has been there maybe for months or years. So if you want to inculcate something, what are you going to do? You are going to express yourselves. Okay, you are going to figure out, like let's say you are a morning person, but in the morning time, you're doing most of the household chores, which is not letting you be productive. So what you need to do, just try to reshuffle. Try to adapt or add something new to your morning routine. So this way, if you are able to make your 1 hour in the morning productive, it could definitely actually improvise your whole routine. So this is how scamper technique can help you improvise whatever you have been doing earlier. Then coming to the next technique that's important is trying to understand yourselves. So for this, what you need to do is just note down whatever silly thoughts that come to your mind. So let's take for example, you want to market your product. So what would be the silliest idea? Going out on the roads and shouting, who wants to buy this? Okay, so if you feel like that, just write it down. Okay, when you are writing, maybe you'll also have a good laugh. But I'll tell you what happens is because you're writing such kind of statements, you will understand what are the bold, aggressive ways of marketing. So that can help you actually get more clients by just being bold enough to express what you have. So use all the strategies to make your life better and improve it the way you want. Whenever you feel scared, stuck at any point in life, don't let, wait for inspiration. Just go, just put on the timer, write down whatever you feel. Maybe that one step of that being incredible in life is what is that you're going to write. Your one step, your one idea can make you powerful, can bring out the best in you. So now do comment what is that best brainstorming method you have opted in your life and how it has helped you to be better at what you are. Thank you for listening and I'm waiting for your comments.